Ollama missing? Install, verify. Start with the boring part that prevents half the failures. First, Ollama is missing, so we prove the problem. Then update apt and install curl with certificates. The official installer is a shell script downloaded over HTTPS, so if curl or certificate trust is broken, the install never reaches Ollama. This setup keeps the command simple and repeatable. Now run the official Linux installer from Ollama. This is the command from the current Ollama Linux documentation. It downloads the Linux bundle, installs the binary under /usr local, creates a dedicated Ollama user, writes the systemd service, and starts the local server. When the installer says the API is available on port 11434, verify the version immediately. That tells you the binary is on path and the install finished cleanly. Ollama is not only a terminal command. It is also a local server. That means a good install needs two checks, not one. First, use systemctl status to confirm the service is active and running. Second, check that localhost port 11434 is listening. If the port is down, editors and apps will fail even if the Ollama command exists. The empty model list is normal on a fresh machine. A fresh Ollama install has no models, so the next real test is pulling one. Do not start with a huge model just to verify the setup. Use Gemma 3, 270 million parameters. It is small, fast, and listed in the official Ollama library. The first run downloads the model, verifies the digest, then answers a tiny prompt. When the response appears, local inference is working. Final proof, call the API directly. This is what your scripts, tools, and local AI apps care about. Create a small JSON prompt with stream set to false, post it to /API/generate, and read the response with JQ. If curl returns text, the model is loaded and the API is usable. Last, enable the service so Ollama survives a reboot. Now the install is not just installed, it is production ready for local workflows.